Today we will talk about a popular weapon of the Russian assault groups, SR-3M assault rifle. It has a long record of successful operation. The small dimensions and weight, as well as the use of a special cartridge, make SR-3M very effective for conducting assault operations in confined spaces like corridors.
SR-3M is chambered for cartridges of 9x39mm caliber with a very deadly round. It fires armor-piercing and so-called sniper cartridges. These cartridges combine low initial speed of a bullet with sufficient stability that makes it a pretty accurate gun, hitting live targets in bulletproof vests and soft-skinned vehicles and providing effective firing range up to 400 meters.
It feels very nice in hands. It has a very comfortable front grip that easily slips out. Also, it is equipped with a folding buttstock that helps to reduce its size while on the move. With a folded butt, the length of the rifle is slightly more than 40 centimeters. The weight of an empty rifle is about 2.5 kilos.
A modernized version of this assault rifle, SR-3MP, features a new dovetail rail mount for various optical sights, two Picatinny rails on the handguard to mount furniture and accessories. There is another rail on the pistol grip. The stock can be attached here, right to the bottom of the grip, for operators wearing a face shield or night vision gear. Thanks to the removable suppressor and the low speed of the bullet, it is very difficult to detect the SR-3M. It gives no smoke, no flame, the firing sound is also very weak. As you can see, SR-3M is super convenient for shooting. SR-3M is definitely an outstanding assault rifle. To learn more about this cool gun, please visit our website. Rosoboronexport is the only state intermediary providing defense-related products and solutions. Don't hesitate to contact us directly or drop us an email. Don't forget to put a like, leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.